This miraculous pitcher tries to escape. It does good to people even after being tied in chains. There is an ancient temple of Mahateshwari in Jubbal Kota Khai. It is about 110 km from Shimla. It is situated at the distance. It is believed that this ancient temple was built 700 to 800 years ago. The temple of Mata Hateshwari is situated on the Sonpuri hill at the confluence of the Vishkulti, Renala and Pabbar rivers. Originally, this temple was built in Shikhar shaped Nagara style, but later a devotee repaired it and converted it into Pehari style. There is a sanctum in a temple of Ma Harkoti in which a huge idol of the mother is present. This idol is of Mahisasur Mardani. Such a huge statue is not found not only in Himachal but also in famous goddess temple of India. It is difficult to guess which metal the statue is of. Only the permanent priests here can go to the sanctorium and worship the mother. To the left of the entrance outside the temple, a copper urn is tied with an iron chain, which is called charu in the local language. An iron chain is tied around charu's neck. It is said that the other end of this chain is tied to the feet of the mother. It is believed that when the Pavar river is heavily flooded in Sawan Bhadon, then this charu of Hateshwari Ma makes the sound of whistles and tries to escape. That's why charu is tied with the feet of the mother. According to folklore, there were two charu outside the temple, but on the other hand, the tied charu ran towards the river. The first charu was caught by the temple priest. Let us tell that many places are seen in Charu hill temples. In these, the pudding made for Brahma Bhoj is kept during the yag. It is said that when any huge festival yag marriage was organized in the villages of the periphery of the Harkoti temple, food was kept in it by bringing charu from Harkoti. No matter how much food was consumed from charu after distributing it. According to a folk tale, it is believed that there were two real sisters in a Brahman family many decades ago in relation to the goddess. She took retirement at a young age and left home for a tour. She resolved that she would go from village to village and listen to the suffering of the people and suggest way to redress it. The other sister reached Harkoti village where the temple is situated. She meditated here by taking a seat in a field, and while meditating she disappeared. A stone statue emerged from the place where she was sitting. When the king heard this incident, he immediately reached here on foot. Due to this supernatural miracle, people's reverence for that girl increased and they gave full information about this incident to the king of then Jubbal princely estate. When the king heard this incident, he immediately reached here on foot and expressed his desire that he would offer gold at the feet of the statue. As soon as he did some digging in front of the statue, for gold. It was filled with milk. After that, the king decided to build a temple here, and people considered that girl as a god goddess and came to be known as Hateshwari Devi after the name of the village.